Today's going to be great with Pastor Frank. Avec gigolos, allô voir les gigolos. This is me. Give no respect to my late dad. Honorable Imade Yunuagbon, it's many good to women. My beloved father. Please invite your friend, invite your friend, invite your friend, invite your friend. Very, very necessary you invite your friend. also turning it to become a studio. Please, we are going to be pausing it here. We are also going to go back to the music later. Please just invite your friend. There is something I want to be letting us know. I have a topic I've already prepared for the day because what I do by the grace of God is to study ahead so that to give enlightenment. I've told us before, the very day I find out that I have nothing to do in social media, I will rest my case. And the one thing I want to first of all do, today I declare PFM to become, it's a terrorist organization, so I have nothing doing the terrorist organization. So there's something that is that's going to be happening by the grace of God. We're going to be seeing new thing in a different dimension. You know, at the time some group of people choose to call you a fool, I'm never a fool. I want to be passing this warning. I want to be passing this warning. It was a pity man when you were almost killed. When he wanted to visit you in the city of Rome. Just because the way I was born and brought up by my biological father and my biological mother were then you are taking this as a yardstick. You insulted my lady and I want to tell you today, I want you to come to Spain. Spain, and I'm waiting for you. You have been doing what you've been doing. I'll be trying to kind of calm down, but you bad much you try to bring that every video need down. Look at me. You've taken my name to everywhere. But to my thing. But what you want to do, you want to humiliate me. I see you are going to use your any evil plan. You plan against me. Why are you where you are? I serve you. You go make way. You win hallelujah. It matter who me I but you come every day with Ramigo, Uman Nufio boy. You never know what you put your hand. A battle, hey, my husband a family. My cultist. We use battle to fight. A law enforcement officer were working. A Spain man, a governor, I want you to come to Spain. Woman, Spain, they have you my biose. Spain, and I'm going to also reserve my comment. I want you to do your worst. That power that you have to raise and kill, you don't show it. And amigo, you are better than what you can do. Remember, I was one of the soldiers who fight for you. All you could do is to insult my own father. Amigo, I was one of your best soldiers when it comes to war. You better than what? You draw the battle line. Do your worst you can. Do the worst you can. The worst that you can do. You know where? I give you humanity Spain in 7 days time. And you are my biose. I'm here humiliate you. Amigo, you are a gigolo. A gigolo. A gigolo. Okay. Umanu fio boy. Umanu. A law enforcement officer. But I will tell you, Amigo, you are going to go behind the bar. Umana go behind the bar and go Salobo. You are going to go behind the bar. Or Salobo can move behind the bar. And wherever place you are, even where Tony Many, or you are going to use your own blood to pay. Why your blood the way I'll serve you. It was sad when I said, I respected you. You know your own way. I never know you are that wicked. A wicked man, okay? A wicked man, okay? And whosoever that going to be passing judgment on mine own, the same hole who were turning in a daily you way. Ranamigo, you are an evil man. Evil man, okay? And I'm charging you today. Evil man, okay? You are God, don't tell me to stop. Or I will let us, or I don't want anybody to put any fucking comment there. How dare and it goes, throw his dirty matter to my own father. When you not better, me, and whoever secretary maybe say. My father was 78 years old when he died. I never knew where, or this was your plan. Those who can kill the soul and kill the body. I'll be looking at you. I'll be looking at you. Every day I bring it down. I have everything already. I get where you are be threatening here and there. How you were now? What did you get? Before my brother get to your age, they cannot do where you. They cannot do where you wear you. Every man address him. They can address everywhere you. So I never know that they do they foolish. I never know that you are this foolish. You might get you foolish. You might get to you they foolish. You might get you they foolish. I regretted the very day. You were the one that called on me. Local government this in Udwata. One way now. You are the one that bring it all. Am I owing you kobo? I'm not owing you money. Wo me mego. But we cannot gbo money me ra me ye wa gbe me yo. Nu we ke gbe o ma gbe de. I've done the battle like Spain wood then I want you to come. Wemanare, if I don't know what's in me. I want you to come. I want you to come. This is president in the making. Now president in the making. Whatever anybody want to say, let them say. I've drawn it. I've been cooking quite one way. Let me just let go. But I found out that every evil plan you plan against me, you got to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. Look at it. This very good is a terrorist gang. A terrorist gang, you know. Where worry? Mamu everywhere itala wo bane. Ogbe nukegbo magbe na ti alazi. Obia wo kan gbegun awon odo. And there was in the book of Samuel, David osalo bana de tinu ya gbegura. You are be bragging and say you are on top of the world. What do you know about me? More something about you now. You are a gigolo. A gigolo here now. If I can wait now. If I make away. If I make away. The fruit make away. I never knew. I thought what my father and my mother taught me at home. I never knew. Western not be me. Western not be me. Look at me very well. What give me say Western not be me. Western not be me. Western not be me. Rude na rio go no. Rude na rio go no. Igbina no be na gbina. I stood by you when I stand by man. You are ungrateful ignorant to him. You are not grateful ignorant to him. Ungrateful ignorant to him. He might blame you. Blame me more. I never blame you for any couple. If I know we for person, I will not come near you. You have tried to kill me. Almighty, I declare today, and I want to appeal to all Igbenigun sons and daughters. Please, I'm sorry. Mori is sorting out your ramen. When okay now, PFM was an organization that was one first set up in Jamaica movement in Ghana. When I saw this very thing, I had to go and read about the history. In 1955, PFM was a political party. It was a political party. When I saw, I said, okay, maybe this was where this man adopted this thing from. This was where he adopted this from. Then I tend to say, okay, it's been the mind of, let us just struggle to see how fix our nations. I spend my money for you. I spend my time for you. Okay, they training me. What did you train me for? A commissioner of police in Miami, where was he going there? No, when I barely me with 1.5 million per hour, I will not give me a fake vision. Monsieur, where you are? As I have left to Gumeko, please, I beg you before, but this time around, Mama, I cut my way and I've listed up the names. And everybody are going. Mama Bolona is going. Anita in Germany is going. A blessing in Umuho. Ne blessing Kinodo is going. Amos Captain is going. Why hadn't you present yourself before the court? He only there. I'm telling you today. We are this Spain. I will have a law enforcement officer there now. My father, we have graduates in our family. We have graduates. I'll be looking at who maybe Ukata there where they were Magba. I try to give you benefit of that. Then you are coming up every day. How can you logically set up a terrorist organization where we're going to fight the corruption? Am I the corruption you are going to fight? Am I the corruption? Or you are the corrupt person here? Who does not accountable? I found out that it was no longer funny. I let you. Why this bragging here and there? And I'm going to implicate your own brother to it also. Rambigo, Umay no feel body. Umay no feel body. When we were maintaining here. Iba we are here. I'm momenting la. We will see. Every day, I must wake up and pray. Saloba, deliver me, deliver me. Be that this is how you choose to pay me back. Any hole you have dug for me, you will use your head to fill it. If you are turning me, you use your head to pay. You have me done it away. Even we get a the way more give away information like that. I don't want to mention anybody's name. You are going to give away information to anybody. A plan, you no plan awesome. Whatever you plan against me, you are going to use your head to carry it. Okay, what do you have to give to me? Come and tell the world, in what area have you ever advised me? If you pay family me, or to my late daddy me ya here. Well, if I can fight for you and his grave, me I think me no way when I can fight for my father, even when at his grave. Why you not bury me? You know, and you are going to bring it up. Just be preparing. Yeah, chain why I'm going to use it to chain every one of you. Again, why me on my I can never one day complain anybody to you. You keep on troubling me every day, buddy. Then people are supporting you. That I'm just a man of peace. You want my man? He might swear you were dead. It's where I was just okay. A man who don't know worry when ni make an I can't be he make be nowhere. He make I was one of the soldiers who will always stand. Who will always stand to fight for you. And any person of you going, a very guy, mammy, where your money have a guy with me. Any person of you going because you want to Western Larry, woman with your boy. Any person of you going no man, no man, and no money, very guy. Brown was you pay me, you will not pay me salary. Did you ever want to pay me salary? No. Uriye platform me where I slickly walk away. In a go home. But every day about you me yagwalo man. The other you send me another one day where you investigated me so to not do any of it, man. I'm going to be prison everything out. You will go to somewhere and explain yourself. You will go and explain yourself somewhere. And you are not going alone. Yeah, that was why I came today to come and destroy your car. Maybe when I'm coming to also come and throw your clothes. Yeah, this is your car. So we are going to add the coffee where you tell what banana, then I will my ear, you know. You want to go, then won't go your hand. So I guess if Benigo's family, if you are there, you are hearing me. A life in Merobian, everything more aware for any to where to women, but I don't want to say this. A life in Oru. And you quickly want to be hiding. Why deleted the video back? Why you deleting the video? Why must you go and delete the video? I deleted the video now. You leave the video there. What by me, law enforcement officer? What by law enforcement officer now? Because you are the highest oppressor I've seen in my life. Oppressor in now. I know you be oppressor in. What belly me go kwa imagwa? E can we tell Mary anywhere you were where you're to wear him. Me ma degi ekede. It has been higher you. I never want to fall back. What is your problem here? Iwa gele gawe naga. Very I was one of the first people no raise alarm been annoying. I was your defender, amigo. I was your defender, Clement amigo. Even where we turning many where you would anyamame. Deliver like PFM where does it will work. But if marry PFM, it will do the William Bonango. You have a William Bon. I help you build up your name. Where to Agbemo? Walk and Yamo in Jesus. Walk the Awokono, walk and Yamo. You will have to feed our own we're then because you are found Omega. Almighty go you become. I'm waiting for you. Who carry it out? What 20 terrorists? You know. Where worry? Even now you boy can warwa. I'm not that type. Why go on the one? I need born winning. Might have born winning. I don't try to see the little thing I can to make sure I help you out. Oh, he may tell who I pity for you. That was when I declared I need to help this man. You are turning everything. And the most powerful thing I mean matter nowhere. But later you will come out and say, you are a truthful man. You are a dead liar. You are a dead liar. A dead liar. When will you ever say what it done to you? Waiting and give information well than a God's family. If I've ever wanted to give your information to God's family, amigo, a plan or something, but maybe give a plan you know plan what I am with Jesus. I can pray for you. Whatsoever you saw in my life, in I made that way when I was with you. Even if you pass away, I ever want to seek your downfall. A plan of me has some, but I never want to seek your downfall. I was telling a friend one day now where I can see you my platform to defend him. But all you could do was go dig. You want to dig. You want to not bury me again. Then you know what killed my father. Maybe when the time comes, you can explain what killed my father more better. Why explain? I know a lot of your followers who never want to listen to the other because they want to die with you. Even anybody apology. It just begins. A preamble, I came to come and give you a preamble, and I'm waiting for you in Spain. What a glorious day going to be for me to hear that Ogbalegbe teammate from Spain, where so and so person like this, I've invited you to come. I want you to come. I want God do a double go. I will raise money online for you to come to Spain. Or not because we talk and do it. I want you to just do it. Why worry me? Have this Spain or call them from whatever. Tell me when I call it Spain. I want you to call Spain. Or Benuke brag. You only nana forward, doctor. I don't want it to. Not now. Why not for you, Tori? If you're wrong, by calling you a father, who when I don't take it for granted, Western or be me, Western or be me. Western or be me by Asia. Western or be me. Western or be me. You might blame me where. I blame myself for respecting you. Ma when I bar class of ma when I bar office of pa. Oh, how you can't make me matter what away. Where give me say now? Look me very well. Oh, mama me him. Rude na your one. The other time when I get blessed like that on road, I let go. But who were you? Or none with that brag. You come to Spain. We are this Spain. Here when I wear, I'm a bug boy where I am gonna. I go avec you became no. A more paredo, no, you see, no more way. I don't buy a ragona and go a more way, no day. I don't buy a ragona. If I've done you to fight anybody, I've done you to fight people diplomatically. That's what I've ever do. Diplomacy, I have to fight anybody. I can't ask one of you funny. Imagine I'm about from town. Hello. Hello, who is calling, please? Yeah, Afane. Okay, well, yeah. Yeah, you know, go. You don't go. You don't. Oh, call it a WhatsApp. A funny WhatsApp or lady say. Call it a WhatsApp, man. I deba my way me there. I never told you where I'm going to use my head to pay. My way my basan agreement Europe. My way my basan agreement Europe. Every day by day you came to come. You always come online to come and lie on me. When will there be when now? Take off your children. I'm not your biological son. What have you no I was not a election what that was gonna tell nani mame. That was time mame. Oh that was my you were the one that told me this thing. I told my family, now we local why you cancel? You were the one. I never beg you for anything one day. My life is good already. Hello, or speaker.
Okay.
Tell me what
okay. As in a panicha to Yagon because for me, I know
no,
they are not get. Okay. Okay. As in, I greet all the of you all over the whole world. So, their last born. So, a message ni only passing a ranomigo or kagbe politician or bemalete, but a family ni to go now. No go area in go. Ni family ya so all of us we are from Ronigbe. E kompaya wema sise ranomigo we agbinigbina ope no ke gbelema be deri eri egbona no ge gbe ohia gbe kana so if you Ronigbe ma ya hi mi ma ya fe ma via odagbe aku Ronigbe hunre o we na kawe po be hunre ari o eto no baji ari fun ahia o be we na le Ronigbe le hunre adi webo ari fun ahia any han ranomigo ri ni deji me can't declare ne see any lopaga we urobera no migo because you tear
I just tired. It was just a sign of respect. What to be more than that? What to be more than that? I respect you. If I your name man, I'm okay. At least good or bad.
So you because pass a boundary. Also, have you begged my late father? Be careful. Anyhow, not even when I do it. So let to be made declare any rock away. Then if you when you catch you back with Catwade or one of a man do to that I make another queen and I settle. Oh, Bible Yahi. I am Wakatwa. This is a very enjoy the boundary. Family can no
Woman wrong pan your gonna. When the body has not married nowhere. No be better give you wings.
So when no a family in my so you or the when no swim jogo when no swim like bege or when we bolu yet do not pass alwe or when I do not pass the loi you ni beni beni la no mi go we
it's okay. 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 No, a problem at all. A problem at all. More. We worry. Let we go to draw the line. You're a lot of folks, man. You want FBI here now. You want FBI here, no problem. We will see. He will be coming to Spain. He will be coming to Spain.
Anywhere because all those ones children. If you a blessing may to be many last for a blessing make me anything.
They started worrying me that from time. Okay, pan. Why not just leave me and let me be? Why not leave me and let me be? Why not just leave me and let me be? Leave me and let me be.
Because I want
You have narrated me everywhere. You have narrated me everywhere. Try to kill my reputation. What have I done wrong to you? What have I done wrong to you? A protest here is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, that one I shot back at. Oh yeah, that one it's not Martin. Me mate no gberi me. Me mate no gbe. Information good and amigo. Honest. Gania ya tracking you know. No, yeah, declare you know you Onazege had deleted the video and he went and deleted it immediately. So he went and deleted it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh man, I'll serve you. I'll do delete you thing I can't then I go on I lived, I never give you problem. I fought for you with my mind. I really fought for you. I stand to fight for the general PFF. I was one of the first soldiers. This is how you could pay me. Hello, brother. What would you mean? You viewer? Who give a fuck about viewer? Me after viewer. Hello, please. Sorry, talk to me. Good evening. Oh, okay, let me put it on speaker. Wait, let me put it on speaker. Okay. Talk if you want to talk.
All right, good evening, my brother. And good evening to the viewers that are watching right now. First, I would like to introduce my name so that people will not think I'm one of these fake Facebook followers. My name is Gospel Apoyera, and from Delta, partly Delta Network. Comrades, I want to quickly say something here. You know, talking about freedom fighting, I have believed that you and Eranomigo, you guys started this movement, and by your support and the other guy from Holland or wherever.
No, I didn't support anything. Now let me want to do one. All this man want to do now, he want to kill me. He want to kill me spiritually. Okay, you start to scatter my name physically. I'm taking it right now. You don't not come. Area man, where you man, walking out now. Because man, you now. I didn't do you anything. You marry up anyway. Marry you go. Marry work. Marry work. Why must you be worrying me?
My brother, calm down, my brother. Calm down, my brother. The truth is this. Let's be honest here, and the most important thing is how to make peace to reign. I was supposed to come on air today. You know, I was supposed to also title the topic Black Saturday for those social media presenters. The gospel truth is this, my brother. I'm not against you Neither I'm against your sister that called, neither I'm against anybody. But it's unfortunate that sometimes we people, we don't want peace. Why did I say that? Many times you flew all the way from Spain here to Italy to support people.
I've never been paid on only ticket in the buy. They don't give me pocket money. Oh, they don't give me pocket money. Pocket money don't they give? Now only ticket they buy. But they don't even gonna remember PFM people. They don't remember anyone. They don't remember any one of those sacrifices I made. But he still want me to use my head to pay.
Calm down, my brother.
He want me to use my head to pay.
Calm down. See, the gospel truth. You know the reason I was supposed to call you after this program so that I will talk. But now that your attention is high, I have to believe that this is the best way to talk to you. Number one, you have been teaching us about love and the gospel of Jesus. Even, let me tell you something, even Jesus Christ that has our Savior today, out of the 12 disciples that he has, he also has betrayers among them, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So if you start reacting to the Ranomigo and something by you, or
no, brother, wait, let me correct my impression. This man started this thing. Immediately we came back when I did support the kangaroo meeting he had in Bologna. His devil agent, they declared war against me. It was me against 13 people because I never want to pass that vote to kind of betray anybody who was my counterpart in the field. I said, don't dissolve this cabinet. But ever since this man has been lying on me, fighting me, threatening me, he has made messages, he bossed me with different kind of WhatsApp, this, also the SN, and he told me that if I investigated me, he knows the name of my first daughter. I'm going to be presenting it to the palace. You know, I'm going to go and start query for this thing. Because I be kind of people, my brother, person that read Bible does not make him to be a fool. I don't want everybody to start saying, he said be Christian. Look at what the book of Matthew chapter 11 verse 12. He says, see the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence. It is only the violent that taketh it by force. So my brother, I have to fight. If I can fight for people protest in the city of Rome on the 11th of December 2017, I think I have to fight to also advocate for myself. I've protected an amigo from people who have been insulting him. So I have to stand there to also protect my own self. If nobody can speak for me, I have to let your word know I'm under threat from an amigo. An amigo prepare a terrorist gang. I declare PFM today is a terrorist organization. You know, amigo have to go and explain to the government. You have to go and explain to it. The reason why I became so violent. He came yesterday, insulting my own dad. And amigo know what kills my father. And he want me to die the way my father died. And amigo walking and woo-wooing. Woo-wooing walking and woo in Jesus. Hey, man. He matter with the go and I tell you, me yasa. Woo-wooing no turn walking have in Jesus. Except you will me down your way. Except you will done with many way.
Nisi, calm down. What I will do before before dropping this call is this. I think it's hard time the Benin Palace look into this issue because why I'm saying this is this, not just because of you understand, not just because of you, but I've seen a lot of things happening right now, either in social media or the Benin community. On the 1st of last month, while we were doing the Benin, what is it called in Canada, the Omonoba Medunko Ewari II sent a message to the world concerning the peacekeeping of the Edo community. I was
the one that even cried for Ajin and ceasefire in social media. I stood for that motion. I was the one that brought it Ajin and ceasefire in social media. This man have been looking, if you try this way, later I calculate money for peace. Wait till this man never talk about me. People have been calling me a new thing, we understand you are not like this. But you still keep on it. Look at the video I made. You go to delete it. Delete a video. Delete it. I never met you and fatherless. I have a lot of people that can father me. He may turn what you meant to wear. Where side of be mayor? Are you man enough to be my father? At the first, Unre graduate to produce in Unre, as at your age, any marriage or produce about 7 graduates already. What is your problem? What is your problem? I don't know.
My brother.
I don't know what thing I do this man, my brother. I don't know what thing I do. Thank God, so now they say, now my pay here for the flight they come on. I spent 21 days, 15 days, 18 days. They not they pay me money. They not they give me pocket money.
Hey.
Nobody pays me.
my brother, see, my brother, we understand. You did everything you did then just because you have love for your family.
But I'm not saying in my head I want to pay. Okay, people when me fight for all of them get peace. Me will go fight for people. I'm having problem here and there.
Nobody will kill you, comrade. Nobody will kill you. You're stronger than your enemy.
My brother, I have to say this out. I have to say it because I'll be keeping quiet. Right now, it's like to take my simplicity for stupidity. Keep it quiet looking at this very man. Because if I talk and say, bro, and I killer, all of them, I want that we are going to the court together. You are law enforcement officer now. Let go. He have betrayed me, he go keep paper, kill paper. If you know my name, my name is Tuti Igminigun. I live here in Torrevieja. Just call them from there. I'm giving you a week to come to Spain. Let's start it from somewhere. I don't got time for 2 months talk now. Could you know, my brother? Let me tell you something. It was only few members in PFM who was able to speak and say, okay, a new thing. We understand, forget. The rest of them then join them. And I have their name already. I'm going to submit it at the station. Because I submitted, they do my thing. As you say, they guard yourself. Everybody have to guard yourself. Not you know book pass now. Not you know book pass. My papa don't even get picking like you. My papa will not. If they throw my give my papa, we don't die. Wait to kill it, papa. When we not bury me, they can know where you do. Every man address. They can address where you. Every man region where you're both with or Maria Webo. Who go and dig how many graduates in every man? Where you dig no graduate, you know. Go and dig how many graduates my father was able to produce before he died at the age of 80 years. Oh, we are not age of 80 years, only matter. A premature death in the Oh, we are not age of 80 years. Oh, my very matter. We are going to end it here. My brother, I will not keep. I don't want anybody to call me for any peacekeeping. I want you to come online and say no, you can. Let us see who is going to lose at the end of the day. Before I do anything, you need to know your manner. I don't choose to put zero my ear to so many things.
Newton,
yeah.
Let me continue before, so that you can continue with your program. In case for the viewers, they don't know what is really happening, let me quickly say something. And this message, I think a lot of PFM members, they are watching this video right now. The truth is this, I can remember that you were the person that presented an award of PFM to the present commissioner of... I
was the one, I bought my ticket myself. I bought my hotel bill, I paid it myself. It was only 50,000 naira and Omigo gave to me. Money we had to banner. I came to Europe with 4 banners. I know how much I spent on that trip. PFM not give me money. Only the money get to me was 50,000 naira. I bought my ticket, go and come. But he want me to use my head to pay for the sacrifice I've done. He want me to use my head to pay. How can I pay with my own head? Even as I did, my brother Bini was very hot. He told the grace of my own elder brother in Valencia, who was able to calm so many things down. Because at that time, what happened for Italy, Bini they hot. People were even expecting to say if I go Bini, I don't come back. But due to the climate where I get, God escort me go come, you know. Ask him whether I give me any mopo. Glory be to God for the life of James. We were together. I know how much I spent. It was my personal money. It was my personal money I spent. But you are here finishing my name. I don't even care. Yesterday they thought say from Cancelo. One way Cancelo. I never know you were a deceiver. You deceived me to the game. Later you out that way. I'm worried to get Sevagona. I pray Osalobo not the spirit of life in Wegbere. Very the most personal life Sevagona. I don't want to. I never made this man okay. Take care of me as a son. Where he may say and look at me. Where he may say, look, I want everybody to look me. This is president in making. A president in making. How head? Do you know when I started doing my when he make advocate here? Do you know when I started it?
Comrade, it's okay.
I don't just know. He keep on doing one thing. If not because he dropped my father, my late father, blessed memory, may death also rest in perfect peace. I for not even mind. Yeah. He PFM member, some of them they support him. They clap follow him.
My brother, it's okay. It's okay. We all, I was a member of PFM. I told you what happened. We all know all the best you did for them. So nobody.
Nobody remembering the sacrifice I made up to today. I will leave my comfort zone 22 days in the wilderness. You not remember anyone. You want me to one you win, no you win, ni you if you win. Is that possible?
Bro, let me say. If I only say, if a Ranomigo has issue with you, let him call you and you guys.
No, he will never wrong go. Or marry na Tom at all. A man, a repobe heart in the Pharaoh, man. Who do a Pharaoh, go, do a Pharaoh. Or marry na Tom, I'm sorry. If you have even called me, son, where you hear, webo. I make no man name Lele. He started, why investigating ever? Okay, here you man trafficker. Why Digolo working now? Now money where you see a blessing, got Lele. I know about everything. They cut him an attorney. We are going to be said that FBI Agbo Mokbego, FBI Fiawu. I will be, I don't know FBI. FBI, nobody, Yegbe document, where may I be bear? Eben may I go where Dim Mamma be Matty Lowe. Dim Mamma Ben where we are being. Threatening me here and there. To the extent, he sent me an audio. We investigate many any of an audio. That was a captain, very Yaruma, Mama Bologna, Anita no Regime, Humphrey, this very pastor, they by this other guy, Amos Captain, no respect. We are going to go to somewhere cannot tell me phone. A new Wakaka, a blessing over a small girl, I'm waiting on. Shera no mama. If I know if I know I can wear any. If I know me go if I know I can wear any. Here you are bragging. I will get if I know I can wear any. If I know I can. I never any mama. I give any. If I know I can. Only if I can. I want to respect myself. Well, if you are crazy, we're not crazy by many. We're not crazy. Unu we are me. Unu ya me. Nina respect you when no. No, I don't respect this man. No time. Where am you if you are? Or I will give a fuck about viewer. My brother, okay, oh, your man, if your boy. Okay, now, like other people, or some other people, either their wife not go let them come, or their family not let them come. Anytime an amigo called me, I never want the key ticket for a hand. I must present myself there. Now they can see me finish. Now they can see me finish.
If you are a great man, you are a great man. That's why I've not met with you one-on-one. One or two persons that knows you very well. I know them and they keep saying. My
brother, it took me 40-something years. 40-something years to build up a reputation. The man I will not be your number. I'm not even a politician right from time. I started my activism when I was very small. Of panic bin I never. What Facebook here? I will put there was a message I preached in a church 2014. I will put it on my YouTube too, as soon as I finish this. Panic advocate. What brought out? Then who said me? I was the one that spent for you. He may spend in nowhere. Where you on Google, let any person come out from PFF. Even an winner cannot do a vacuum in make it when anybody do allow. Right now, my brother, oh my God, my other person will enter the position. Where you are a position in Meteor and leave me alone.
It's true. It's true.
That is it. You have so many comrades.
You are a great man.
You have so many comrades. I've made my name. That is Binane Navekba. Okay, now, you got Binane or can I wait settlement? Okay, please, FAI, I want to tell you today, I don't have any voice tension against you, FAI, brother, FAI, God bless you. And Pahistro, if you have anything against me, please, brother, advocacy, man, we know what lag. Yeah, why we go? I'm gone. I never know where a man now be name Iowa. I never knew about it. I never know his evil tensions. He might way I never knew about it. I was just thinking, okay, very mega TV show. I never knew about those things. Little did I know where I begin to find myself in a state of vulnerable from this very man. My brother, why would I go lala no do? Eke domari ni mejo wa weni agbe won. Domari mi ale wa weni agbe won. Wa weni ran mi go lala no do ta. But whosoever they're going to be passing judgment. We don't know, man. I see God destroy you in Jesus' name. Because I'm bitter here. I'm just a young man growing up. I fight for people. All this thing I was doing was not for myself, but I try to fight for people through his own platform. I never knew that this man is that evil. He came out yesterday, the man uguni. Mama diamond because you went with Jesus. Do my mama good. What for be? But a man who mama diamond what you went uvuni no Tony. Go we are swimming in you. What can laugh on even Jesus? We are going to take the matter from here. Guy, man, he terrorists. Look at how we do our case. Then call the law enforcement officer. I'm waiting for you in Spain. We'll brag against. Ago mo gwan bogbe. How dare you where you geri me? Deri me ma bi me, we gba me lo. Where me lo, very me go we no ma be ga we very ona. Very me go we no ma be ga we very. You to God bless you man. Me again no ya to about a woman. I insulted this woman, but due to so many people understand what is activism. Man, people why no activism. A lot of people know what's activism. I will listen to that woman. He just said, God bless you. I will listen to his other one day we forgive him because I just said, okay, we are anywhere. Oma Gogawe move retaliate. That was the man that was having. The man is saying, "Mo hado agbalo." They knew where. They knew where no man go time agbon. They knew where. Who to time agbon? Where time agbon? Who tell me where agbon? Say what I've done to you to the world.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, pardon, Mosa.
Yeah, I want the bomb, my brother.
Okay, you want your speaker?
Yeah.
No, where can America? My other brother, my father was the first person to sponsor his son, brother Atiebe. My brother, my other brother, 85 of Paris, America. No, where you are, what one way team of America? One way cousin of America. One of America.
Hello?
Et pas gourmet, et moi, je explique.
La voix, you speaker.
Et moi, yon.
Okay, I will speak with Benin because this problem is for Benin, man. Amigo, you know, you have been doing a lot of things in the media because we are coming from one place. Amigo, okay, looking for no gear or tell me, see no brother there, in a one. If you know brother, you know, no one out. Or you not your messing. So, we want to feel where we don't want to go anywhere.
No.
Mama can't man no head where. Mama can't man no head where. We where what bury like the Omaho. But we not decide the man we know soon any matter.
I was told by you when I go make one iPad. Utama man. He was he not speak when I PFF. The very first audio he make against a party Mofi. Did what the people not going on.
No one or make in a camera give an amigo Diego Madano. You know, we study Udano now be everywhere, but on Magure, the Debabo, the Along, who take it in Mayaki Day. You understand?
No, what you mean? You're a viewer. Who give a fuck about viewer?
It's an amigo Bakutana. They know it directs on a few Bekirame. Every man on my weapon, my church dead. Or hearing a sound word, they didn't have a smooth that way. That amigo, he said, want it to you, anything already sold that new thing.
It's a terrorist organization. It's a terrorist organization. Terrorist organization.
Anything already sooner die. My neck there, you already give up message. So that one is clear to us.
Et par là, wa gumede. A ko mo dan pe gbe o te gumen kwa mare wa la ho. Wa yo boyo me kete o ge gbin wo no. Ima ewe yo kan do aye. I never knew. I never knew. I never knew.
Because no way a trace over way. PM ye top here, you ever know where you take no wabo, no be able to be even on the boy with that over here. Now everybody's in news. I can't even imagine a person cannot have person that he trusts for his life. That's a very deep person in. He quit that for media. I quit that. There is a restaurant. I'm a pop man of Zolama to so quick dog man of the Avocado. The vendors will have a cocoa on a CSI you talk. When you got it, you may not go me. Eh, when you got Bona, what's in your but I was having cargoes of battalion. Even you don't know, he said he has a battalion because he already done the government cannot drop. It's the truth. He will feel it by physically. He will feel it by spiritually.
Threaten me with death.
or is zero. Or is zero. Because we the family, we already tried for an amigo. He doesn't understand.
He's ego man your movement now. I spend my personal money.
He doesn't understand.
If I saw to know where are you why I go 20 days ago where me go.
Trouble with that. You don't give me yate na boya. A debi from Ronigo, a debi no what pay for Ronigo. Era no pierre era agent of pierre. Very JB, here I go. It's my own family. It's my own family. And Madam Bologna, we need to know your name. I will say
no, yeah, your boy, your man. Otto Anita, Otto, this Humphrey, they buy a black captain or respect. Black captain or respect, they buy a blessing or a blessing Bologna. We are all going to that together to go answer. No one will tell you why we are going to
we're making a new ticket, a little sick or sick over.
I just tired. This man have sent my name all over the whole world, trying to bring me down. What have I done wrong to you? I fought with this man with my own heart.
When your mother, Madam Bologna, we might get it one day. We might take care of where you or you may have me. I will take away to my
man, you were all every meuni or tell my boy. Anywhere I'm with this man, okay, the ticket in Lelen. I know how much I've lost. People will come in.
The video we will file it to Okaro, we will file it to the Okaro from Evosi, we are still delayed to Evosi. We file it, let them keep it. Anything very soon.
I'm a law enforcement officer. Abi memie ure babi miebe ure babi swela fi me ijo e belly ye plo okay unu ede ma we gbe to garu na ba brought me up ina
it's too much
do me go nu we zari mutama me pay nu I don't just know what did they do. Okay, I can you go no ma say you go be an answer.
America. If you don't know America, we don't know here.
No, Oma I will not la by palare de you do. We get no one we get there you do we get what saying I all those one are too big for this nonsense. Any polog be nonsense in Anagala why there you do. We are one of the family that is known in Uronibe for academics. That we get an investigation we are one of the people that know in Uronibe for academics. We are one of the people that is known in Uronibe for academics. Academic, training every Marian where Yenime Yasav, where women were Barovia. A training every Marian where no way do I insult them. I have to go away.
Fulfill where maybe when they don't when we get banana, my banana will and the fact we fought the mother, if we fought the father, if we fought your daughter.
No, your man no met is na.
Everything when people are there,
you know your man no met is. Here human trafficker. What lele human trafficker kian? What lele human trafficker kian? What lele human trafficker? Unu guess in a blessing ame or do well. Amigo is a gigolo. A gigolo and amigo is a gigolo. You are a gigolo. A gigolo. Nonsense. PFM is a terrorist organization. I have series of proof to it. That terrorism, okay, here government. Let us do okay, we are fighting the government. I fight every fight with it with diplomacy, a constructive criticism. I never know where extent in Ojo. I don't want to go any extent with anybody.
Let's say that the Mama Bologna, they are the manager for this thing. I'm not get copy and care. I'm all already. I made a mistake. You know, I am a brother of data, Queen and Jokan in Ebuna. Don't you put on a prayer. They need to join this part and form the group where maybe
my brother, December when I was leaving Madrid, when we later confirmed, okay, we need to go to Rome and protest. After Oma donated €500, a flat team in saving people or team camp. I did this thing for the world. Not because what I was expecting, not because what I pay, man. No man but for you people to know now, every services I rendered in PFM was free of charge. FOC. I paid my monthly due. I I donate. A flat in all missing a June. A flat in all missing a June. 50 euro way. A flat in all you're missing a June. A 50 euro way. I pay 50 euro to support his flight. What we miss a ticket? Why won't you him out? What did you want from me?
A prophet,
Oh, by no, all of us. Either maybe Epa Mudane.
The problem of PFA. You want a problem? Because the man have been struggling, he have been losing his head.
No, everybody decide him. Decide. Nobody Jerero we born akabe here one day. Even wa gbe me yese o sa gbo wa yese be ri Jesu. Even wa be gbe me yese o sa ro gbo wa yese. Ebe even wa wo me be ma wo be manu wa.
Continue. Where can I say ya?
No, yes, there now. Honor do get se vala dia ke blessing ke one that get. He na do I sort me social media. I never wanted to support him in any fact. Neni gbono ga gbina de na no so me ya support me ma see ezore PFM one day where every month see ezore
because we are coming from one place.
I fought for him. I me aro pa ni ma mi unkan. I me aro pa ni ma mi unkan social media because of this very man. I am your job pa ni ma me before I was talking on audio. Oh, Timmy, you me viewer. Medal winning. I'm waiting for you in Spain. Medal will be Spain. I'm going to dress. The very day you are coming, I'm going to dress more elegant than this. Who do I want with my fire? Let's go there together. Can you just imagine that? Oma chairman later let me finish up this one. No, hurry. Me agwere sigo me agwere. No, when Motien or we Motien or Moses, so all of them will go in for it. He gawe. I was always in forefront. I was always in forefront. A fair protest in Roma was there laugh and direct. I display what I know. Do what get a training man. Before the fair protest in Rome, okay, why mame? They no pan we mame, we my manik pa mana yeti go. What we my manik pa menegu era America is pay me. They no maeta. They no mageta game. I'm just keeping quiet. I'm running banner. Why you bought some egg corner? I'm not an great man. I'm not a charlatan. Here misguided element. I choose to respect you due to working. I leave with your going. Psychological father here. I did not call you my biological father. Who saw that same here? Don't when you want me your maravocacy here. When me maybe show me address Ladian. When me maybe show. You come over away. Nanario what take care for granted. You really taking me for granted. Oh, we not better. We are tolo kunguru ni gbeni me. Where full pedigree now? Waga full pedigree we no talo na utalo. We ni unwaga. Iso asien. Nonsense. Ozege I deleted the video. I deleted. Ogwimene. FBI. I will just call FBI. FBI worry about me. E Donald Trump igbe o. FBI. Yeah, I'll come to wonder what kind of nonsense is all this. FBI can't dedicate him to America. They don't know we are Europe. But we are needing men. We call the Spanish authority. I want you to call them here and invite him. One of me, your name of the station. At the number, they arrest. I'm your arrest here. Who know they go arrest? Dan arrest. Men are not the bomb me can work at jelly man. I say me what is important about that? Why I never want to tell you any story about myself. Investigator. Nonsense investigator. Investigate me, Robert. Hello, speaking. Hello, Bidis. Good evening. God bless you. My brother, this man don't they, since June, this man don't they rubbish my name. I just they keep quiet, they look at. Could you know this man went to go and insult my own leader? They remember cookie me on me, me lower. Oh, wait, bro. All you followers that they support them. Ni mi aya wo wakia wo. One wa bare no man ni mi aya wo esi me kan gbe me. Wasu wa kan gbe because ese mere do unu wa. When I feel geri me. When I feel geri me. E keneri me mu dai bo alagun eri. We mu dia yeba. Eri me na go we gwan. You cannot even you cannot even interpret it. We interpret it. Who will learn from me? Some of my English are well low now. Some of my English are well low. Some of my English are well low. Okay, that not it go women will wear. Okay, now me go build the movement to wear. Me pa. You can't pa. My view ni video you pa. All my videos are still with you. The name I made them is still with you. Every fight I fought is still with you. Make pass away and people start on reaching on you. We make a good way. They are not there where today. We was able to dare you. We was able to dare you. My brother, I don't to keep quiet and look this man. I have come to come and tell myself and my family. I come to come and put myself in your neck. No, sir. Why when I deleted the video? A sharp man, sharp fire. A sharp. He remember my father was a loving father. He do not remember what in the youth that they still missing. The youth in my area, they still miss my father until today. Were very loyal, so I was unable to move with you. Because you are oppressor. You are an oppressor. Oppressor. It's what I say when I'm saying. Oppressor and amigo. And I'm waiting for an amigo. And they wait for you for Spain. See me, my man. And they wait for you for Spain. I want you to come. I'm waiting for you in Spain. I'm waiting for you in Spain. In Spain. I respect this man to the core. That is, I don't just know. Don't take him for granted. You gave me a fair vision to pursue. Today, I can bring out somebody who will make an audio. That person was there that very day when you make that call. After the first audio, I made against John Sagi. He may turn away. He may turn away. No, I say no has to get back away. No, I say no what I may say. Or has to get back away. If I've ever planned evil against you, it will come back to me. My plan evil against you were there. It will go back to you in Jesus' name. You are going to use your head to crack it. Why you wear your money? Because when I was coming to you, I never say I'm going to come and pay with my head. I came to come and assist people. I never say I'm going to pay with my head. Right now, you want me. Me wear your suya. Me wear your suya. God forbid, walk your money in Jesus. You will use your head to carry it. You will use your head to carry it. You will use your head to carry it. Gang up. You are the one that removed it for your platform. Remember, I slowly walk away. Right now, I've walked away. How dare you? Then, if you can insult my father, I have the right to insult you. Unu we are me. And when I'm going to attack audio. Unu we are me. Unu we are me. And when I'm going to attack audio. Who then are you going? Any person that will pass injustice in this matter, any person that will pass injustice in this issue, You guys use your head to carry it. Enough is enough. Wagimani do atemata. A protest ya man affair you kopamalele yo. I was there. I was there in all. On my jerok pare. On my rigome. He might be one day. There was a day he called me. Or when I go when I will pass here, nowhere. Do you think I was looking for a father to adopt? Did I even need a father in my life? Did I even need a father, no person like you? On no account. I'm waiting for you to come in Spain. A week here, your woman ever here Spain. What you are going to be seeing again? Going to be there. It's going to be bad more than this. I've done the battle line. We're not to lose. Maybe we're not to lose. We're settled. You better down your SML legbe. SML legbe. Ejineri me ya ejineri me jewo. E man neru ni e man so esi ni ase ejine. He live a fulfilled life. He train all his children. My father live a fulfilled life. Any small thing, a man go egwan. If I've ever one day, and we're charging me, you know, they now more give away from more give them information. Uvunu Tony Yadeyo. But if I give you will use your head to feed that hole. You will use your head to feed that hole. What you feel a hole? Everybody, do people yafe, why you bog bele yafo? Why you bog bele yafo? Mwebog bona, we're president of the poor working. He may fair. Let us you are my president. Why must you be killing me? President of the poor. Where my accountability? One argument on good way. One argument on good way. Nonsense. Because some people choose to follow you. The young women are where you've been. The people I have helped with my hand. We have people here. Hello, Williams. Hello, Williams. Hello, Anita. Adela Facebook. No, a man and my brother. All of una see the way I take suffer. A man, why not bring me about my brother? I don't withdraw from my email, Lenny. I don't already run from her. But you know what? Let me be. My brother had to chat or do you want to know? I will not go and die in silence. People are dying here, they're dying anyhow. This my son is a killer. Evil man, no? Evil man, Ranamigo King. Ranamigo is an evil man. I need to scream and shout. Ranamigo is an evil man. Let him come and quote me wrong. I just tell you, don't take away the rubbish, man. Make your bone. Why don't we go to curse my father? I don't know what will be problem. I mean, no man traveled the evil Abraham traveled in the Bible. Abraham traveled in the Bible. I mean, no man traveled, my brother. I don't know what's wrong with this very man. He might not be one. Yeah, the village now. You know, my brother, I have not talked about it, but I have to let the whole world know. I have to let the whole world know my life is at risk here, you know. Okay, I hear you. Make her change the topic. Make her change the topic, yeah. Yeah, please view these some of the people we struggled together to enter Europe in 2003. He knows me right from time, you know. I was in this struggle. All these men, they call me, guy, continue. A lot of people was an encourager to me. Please, I'm going to be ending the video. I'm going to skip my topic. Hello, madam. Hello, good evening.
Bluetooth mode.
I just tired. Okay, have insult him, man. I'm on my travel there. And so what? Am I here UK? Am I can travel there? No, we go all my Spain. We go Okpeno Kenya. Ime no Spain. Let call national. Call it national. You people were a panic platform. I was not after money. I was just having that compassion to rescue. Yeah, it's to the only medal you may pay. No, wage no na guani. Ima ego egua. O tori me no wune. Ewe ya fi kwege. We no bi oba doba me re obi dovien. We no bi oba doba re obi dovien. O we to agbera no migo. Wari azan mari enu e. Azan boga de no we. Nonsense. E tu are ba yan aba se. We amomo we weti tama we e bi una magba. I will have you where. Enu we women I will have you where. I will have you where. I will have you where. Oh, obia military personnel. Where cost in met here? Obia is a graduate. One regret in the remember here. Who regretted to well produce? How many graduates have you produced? Who regretted to well produce? Nonsense. I just said me I keep quiet the looker. How do I tell Monzuo? Send your aya killers. Send your aya killers and waiting. Send your aya killers who kata the woman here. Nonsense. No one has a get ability. When we are made you know, more you well, you know, a gigolo down, a gigolo. Nonsense. No, a team no a responding now. A demand people marry a barrel my awogima. He go conspire now. Or Ben Kenya. I will be the first person or see where get FBI can dedicate me at the America. Yeah, zero FBI. I'm going to open online upon Donald Trump and FBI. Me as a Romia where look at what somebody will be telling me. He had a moment. They'll come and pick me that time. Okay, Mama, you will end the video. Let me once I get picked on the end of the video la. I will end it. I will obey you. I will end it here. I will be struggling with you. No, I was just having that compassion to rescue. I was having that mind working. Or mama going to come. Nigeria need you. Presenting the permission and police. It was my personal hand money. He may borrow it because the urgent, the emergency. He took me time to pay back that money. Where the ticket in him? Did you buy ticket for me? Here you are. I trained him. Where the cocotin went there? Where cocotin went? Where cocotin went? Come and calculate you go no send me. Hello, bro. I want the video so now another call where they. I want a dance, so I want a dance, so no problem. I want a dance, so I hear you. I want a dance, so. I want a dance, so. I want a dance, so. Na gwana wu. Oba hiruku re ni ama owo no gbedo kan abi awo no ogbe no dole doji a military personnel all my time abia every man a governor waje gan a farmer man with governor ye gan also a governor I'm a military person now. I'm a military person now. And so what? Who give a fuck about that? Hello, alelewe boy. Osagbina o haye. Nonsense. I was a soldier in PFA. And I remain a soldier. Where my uncle remain you are. You think you can just humiliate me? A preamble is the I came to come and give you preamble. If you don't there, want to make an idea Spain. I came to come and just want to tell you what Spain. Yeah, chain wire. Yes. Oh man, not your Bible. 50% more brilliant than who does not read Bible. He marry a worker. He marry a way. Viagi we. They me pa me we ma ti tamagbon. Since July. Since June. A PRO we win will scatter a position. Please, nobody call me. Everybody fed it there since now. It has come to. I don't want anybody to call me again, please. What about it, man? Let nobody call me. What going call me? I saw to carry my cross. God knows say waiting I go do, not be fat I go fight. He can't retire if at all I want to get problem. I want to get problem from this advocacy. And right now, it is the way even like, but no problem. To God be the glory. I think history will remember me. Because I protected my people. I know what suffering is all about. When I heard that this thing have come out, it's an avenue for all. I was only concerned about the youth, both in Roman Parliament, in the city of Roma, Roman Parliament. You don't you want to be on a platform now. If I've done anything wrong with you guys, off work, imagine why we wait to our Pocoeca. If I've done wrong to you, we oppress me, he can't tell me depression. Military personnel, my foot. Military personnel, my foot. Et time I be out, Zimbabwe non yegan. Et time I be out, not Zimbabwe non yegan. Et Donald Trump for yegan or Mama Roman. I'm a military personnel. I will. Woman Spain. Who were what in me? Woman Spain. You worsen everything. Send out your people. Yeah, I'm going to bring out the comrades. Let them come out. Where the comrades of work pala than in my advocacy. I train him at we might train another person or train not one. Train not one. How dare you talk to my father anyhow like that? Who you on anybody? You have never wanted to talk about any history of Benin. Unimo pa woman. Come on, single character go. Come on, single. Unimo pa go. Unimo pa go. Unimo. There make a hand down here. Go mo gwan bogbe. Oh, ti yen me viewer. E ko ya le lo egbe na. Igbe na no way do you me kai. Wo ya mo yi anu ma gina me. The death you are planning for me and amigo, you will claim it and amigo, a death you plan it that many. Wo ya mo e ni so Christ no me afa. Imagine you way. I have not done wrong to you. I serve you. And no you were my own way. Don't be white been on with the social media. And no you were my own way. Them my own way. How dare you talk to my leader? Oh, it's in me viewer. He can never take your over. Can never take your over. I was a loba guan. Was a loba na will weather over rime. Saloba will weather over rime. A deceiver. Nonsense. What be one year in a okay, you want to give me that? I want to be a Imera me ye me gbe. Ima tupu were we usega aseme. We mi poni mejo, we mi batari me gba. We mi ogori me gba yobo. Me ko anu sese ba we a. We ne member we ko awu poni mejo o me ni. Mejo toto sin e be nu wejo na. Ibi doro pa no maro wo pa wa ma. Wo pa wa ma. We no we ga no we me. We no we ga no. O sara no we. I choose to let go because I got your son, but my knowing God don't make me to be foolish, man. I'm a man of a reputation. Imagine your boy, you know, my brother. I have lived all my life helping people. Oh, no, if you don't know, no matter better walk, no matter better walk. Oh, man, no way, we man, you man, again, man. Oh, man, wariago ibo yen wedi ibo bi wadi waniria wariago wani gbelibiere o ma gube UK nana ido so ma wa wani managbon no wajero ya so me no bera no bigo ge gba me ya wa gwe me eme na ya wa gwe me mo eme na ya wa gwe me mo yi wa gwe me mo ya wa gwe me mo se imame ro bani we uwa na se na bi ne gwani respect go mari ogo ne ri me ni meri ogo nu we. If I can fight for you when we're foolish, he said, I can also fight for my late father. And to present that name, nonsense. I want to let us know something. I was one of the soldiers. I was one of the soldiers when it comes to war. I was one of the soldiers. Me we adogbe. Me we threatening. Who will draw a warning? Who were there are people that I was going on with you, don't mean who were brilliant, he said. I gave you that respect, okay, you are the president that I found that. I mean, my accuse him, nonsense. Everything a man could have. They don't get problem with we cancel up. What he meant, what I be me, you be married. I never meant you look at what I'm looking for. He man met you, oh, I agree with what I told you. Dead liar. Okay, we're booming. Fee warrior, that go no sir. Look at the ababo. Yagi the ababo no fee warrior. Fee warrior, look at the ababo. Killer. I'm waiting for you to come to Spain. I'm waiting for you to come to Spain. Why you go to Spain? I'll go on my back. No matter, nobody's good apart from you. Nobody's good. Please, let's be attending there. Good night. God bless you. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.